Got a smartphone you love but wish the battery lasted longer? You're not alone. Today we're diving into the amazing new tech that's finally bringing multi-day battery life back to our pockets, and why two of the biggest names in the game, Apple and Samsung seem to have missed this crucial memo. Reports are popping up that the new ultra-slim phones, like the Apple iPhone Air and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, aren't flying off the shelves. And honestly, I'm not surprised. While a super light, perfectly pocketable phone sounds great, there's one massive deal breaker: dreadful battery life. Consumers consistently put better battery life at the top of their wish list, and these slim models just don't deliver. But guess what? Some brands are going in the opposite direction, and it's brilliant. Meet the new wave of phones like the OnePlus 15 and the OPPO Find X9 Pro. These devices use silicon carbon infused batteries to pack a huge punch, offering enough capacity to last 2 full days of solid use, and sometimes even more. Let's look at the numbers. The OnePlus 15 has a 7300 mAh battery, and the OPPO Find X9 Pro boasts 7500 mAh. Compare that to popular mainstream flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra at 5000 mAh and the iPhone 17 Pro Max at 5088 mAh. The difference is significant, about 50% larger. But the gap is even more shocking when you look at the ultra-slim phones. The iPhone Air is stuck with a tiny 3149 mAh cell, and the Galaxy S25 Edge has 3900 mAh. These new powerhouses are offering nearly double the capacity. Brands can talk about optimization all they want, but here's the truth: if you want multi-day battery life, physics dictates that a bigger power cell is going to win. Our lab data proves it. When we compare the iPhone Air to the OnePlus 15 and OPPO Find X9 Pro, doubling the battery capacity actually results in more than double the battery life in everyday tasks. The slim phones struggle to make it through a full day, while the 7000 mAh plus flagships easily last 2 full days of heavy use. That anxiety of seeing your battery icon turn red before dinner? It's practically eliminated with these bigger batteries. Now you might think a smaller battery recharges faster, right? Nope. The iPhone Air takes an agonizing 105 minutes to reach 100%. The Galaxy S25 Edge is faster, but still slow at about 65 minutes. Meanwhile, the OnePlus 15 and OPPO Find X9 Pro, despite having nearly double the capacity, go from empty to full in roughly 40 to 50 minutes. Think about that. Twice the battery life of the Air, and twice as fast to charge. The issue is that Apple and Samsung haven't fully embraced high-speed charging in their slimline models. The ultra-thin design is actually the culprit. These phones are simply too slim to properly dissipate the heat generated by faster charging. If Apple and Samsung ever want their ultra-slim models to succeed, they need to listen to what consumers want. Nobody wants to worry about their phone dying midday. The good news is that what starts today in these big flagships will eventually trickle down to smaller, more mainstream models. Imagine a $799 phone that can last as long as today's biggest ultra models. That's when the real fun begins. It's truly bewildering that Samsung and Apple didn't introduce their own silicon carbon batteries in the Edge and Air. In my opinion, that's the chief reason these phones haven't been well received. Until those tech giants catch up, I'll be happily powering through my third day of use, all thanks to a massive 7500 mAh battery. If you're ready for a smartphone that lasts as long as you do, hit that like button. Share this video with a friend who's always asking you for a charger, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of tech.